there's a continuation of our moving parts, and we have some things over here going on. There's a new, my wife's helping me, and we got new couch. It's by Thomasville, 6 pieces, Modular Fabric Section. Again, this is from Costco. It's only $9.99, and we was in IKEA. There's nothing near half of this for the same price. And let's see, this is one piece right here. There's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each pieces come with wrappings. This is safety wrappings. Last night I got friends help me to lift all this up upstairs. So to get it from Costco, we was actually take everything at the Costco apart. And that's basically how this going. Let's show you. Well, I'm really impressed about the quality of the product. I don't know, there's just a lot of stuff to say. The different variations, you can set them up. This is a protective. We're gonna take this out. This little sleeve over here with the legs. And in each box, four nice legs with this type of protection from scratches. Then what else? You might need to have a screwdriver. My tools is still at old location. That's why I'm using this old one. It's take about 30 minutes to set this whole thing up. I'm using this existing stuff, and I'm gonna save this, not throwing anything away. I'm saving all this for future use in case if I ever need it. Move. Don't throw away this sleeve too, because you can always use it when you move it back, or sell it back. If you clean it, it will be looks like new. Keep all the labels and instructions on it. And there's the last sections left. So you just do same pattern. Okay, let's start talking about this. So it's come with the legs, come with the clips. The clips is work this way. So when you push, they're open and lock it up. Lock it up, this clip. So in instruction, you've got legs, storage container, which is right there. Ottoman. Don't try to force it. It has wheel closed fast, open slow. Big space for pillows. So instructions pretty clear, shows how to do everything, so you can't really miss it. What's interesting that you have how I figured out. So you got this piece of plastic at the end. It's like this. It's actually my wife said, "What the hell is that?" And you can see the zip lock, and that's how we'll find out. We didn't read the instructions anyway. It shows all of that up to connector clips, and here's the way you can set this up. I don't know which one I like more, probably this one. It would be nice to have this one on the other side. I'll try to do this way because on my side it doesn't mind to have that, because I don't want to have window to be covered. Okay, let it try and see what's gonna happen. Little tip: to release the connections, you probably have to lift it on one side out. Okay, got it. That's what it looks like. And I'll show you how it's worked. No, it's clip. You align right here and push it. And that's it. Now you can move the whole couch. Very nice and neat. Okay. We already have a happy person sitting there, enjoying. So we got a little too short. Can't believe it. The apartment or condominium built wrong. We'll have to cut something. Very tight. Yeah, unfortunate. It doesn't fit. Well, we got a solution. Let's see. No, I think we can do this one. This one doesn't have a corner. It might be just a little smaller. There you go. Getting there. Let me see. It has a latch on it. Yep, it has a latch. And it has a clip. It's nicked for this one, but I think it's well. And this one has a clip and a latch. There you go. Okay. There's no, I would say, there's no way you cannot find anything. There's nothing on this side. Yep, nothing here. There's the next connections is on this side. So we got an extra piece, I guess. Let's align this. Lines over here. I have to pull this back a little bit. Okay, and let's make this happen. Okay, got it. So that's going to be. How would you like this? So this guy has latch on the bottom. This one has a clip. Let's see if we can make this happen. It's just the option. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys like it. My wife definitely love it. Do you like it? Oh yeah, she is. So we got this extra piece. I don't know what to do with it. I mean, this is pretty nice and neat. We might gonna add, I think, or we can use Ottoman over here. What you think? What would be so that way the window's open. It would be nice to have this piece in this corner, but we can't have it. Then we'll end up with that one. So I'm assuming we're just gonna use this in a different room as just a couch or something, or extra sleeping stuff. Maybe like this. Something's wrong. I don't know. It's a kind of small one too. Let's see. I don't know. So we'll finally decide this way. And we'll have to kick this everywhere around our house whenever we need it. This is pretty good. Anyway, everything for the fraction of the $1,000, $999. There was the same sections in there for $899, but there's only 3 pieces, just like this. 1, 2, 3.